어떤 구급차가 교통사고 현장으로 달려가고 있습니다. 급성 빈혈 때문에 갑자기 운전 중 실신해버렸던 여자. 그녀는 다름 아닌 그 지역의 지방검사 KT였습니다.
Damn, it's Katie DeMeo. She's with the DA's office.
She's lost a lot of blood. Looks like a ruptured artery in her left forearm. Give us a hand, detective.
Mrs. DeMeo. Mrs. DeMeo, can you hear me? You're very fortunate, Mrs. DeMeo. A few bad bruises, no fractures. How do you feel?
My arm hurts.
You've got a severe laceration there. You're gonna spend the night with us, so just relax and get some rest. You'll feel much better in the morning.
I hate hospitals.
Well, I'll try not to take that personally. Get some rest.
어떻게 된 일일까요? 약에 취해 이상한 꿈을 꾸고 있는 KT. 누군가가 트렁크에 사람을 싣고 있습니다. 꿈에 놀래 잠이 깨버린 그녀에게 누군가 다가오고.
Good morning, Mrs. DeMeo. How do you feel?
Reborn. Makes me wonder why the medical profession ever gave up bloodlettings.
Who said we did? I'm Dr. Haley.
그렇게 처음 만났던 두 사람.
Yes, it's... I hope you don't take this the wrong way. Can I leave?
What's the rush?
I'm not fond of hospitals.
Neither am I. Mrs. DeMeo,
Katie, please.
the reason I'm here is because of your blood tests. Now, without a regular gynecologist listed for you, the lab asked me to have a look at the results.
I know where you're going with this. I seem to have inherited a gift from my mother of hemorrhaging.
그런 과다출혈 때문에 치료가 필요한 KT.
Are you aware it can be corrected with a simple procedure? It's called...
Yes, a DNC. I'll take care of it eventually, but I have my reasons for waiting.
In that case, let's get you checked out of here. Good. I would like to see you for a follow-up. A couple of days to make sure that your blood count has stabilized.
That I can do.
남편과는 사별하고 아직도 그 이별의 아픔을 잊기 위해 이를 파묻혀 살아왔던 여자. 언니 몰리는 그런 동생이 너무나도 걱정이 됩니다.
Why don't you take a couple days off to recover and rest? I'm sure your office can do without you for that long.
I don't need to rest. I love my job. I love the workload they give me.
Katie, you're a great lawyer, but you're using your work to bury your personal life.
That's not true. I have a personal life.
You haven't been on a date since John died.
Let's not go there.
He's been dead 2 years.
죽은 남편을 못 잊고 사는 동생이 답답하기만 하죠. 한편 비행사 기장 크리스는 아내 몰래 바람을 피고 있습니다.
She's pregnant.
You know, if that's a joke, that's a bad one.
She's been trying to get pregnant for 5 years. Her doctor in Minneapolis said she wasn't able to.
Then how is she pregnant now?
She went to a fertility clinic.
Oh my God, Chris, how could you do something like that and not tell me?
I had nothing to do with it.
She can't get pregnant by herself.
I mean, I didn't know she was getting help. She thinks a baby will save our marriage.
What do you think?
You know what I think. I love you. And baby or no baby, that's not going to change.
You know, that's really easy for you to say now. Once she has it, once you hold it.
Joan, listen to me. I do want to have a baby. With you, not Vanjie. And she hasn't had it yet. Well, a lot can happen between now and then.
결국 남편 크리스는 끔찍한 생각까지 하게 되는데 다음날 싸늘한 시신으로 발견된 크리스의 아내 벤지. 그 현장에 휴가를 반납한 KT가 찾아옵니다.
Look who I found snooping around.
What are you doing here? I heard you were taking the day off.
It's a nasty rumor.
Katie? You all right?
그녀가 걱정되는 법의관 리처드.
How long has she been?
I'd guess 12, 15 hours. She's pretty rigid.
Obviously, she's also pregnant at, say, about 6 months. It looks like a suicide, but her coat is on
자살이라 보기에는 수상한 점들이 너무 많습니다.
and her shoes are on. So, she gets ready to leave and then what? Decides to kill herself?
Maybe she just got home.
No, I thought about that too, but we had a wet snow last night.
외출했다 보기에는 구두 밑창이 너무나도 깨끗하죠.
Did she leave a note?
No note, no letter, no nothing. She's been married 5 years to a pilot. Finally gets pregnant, starts decorating a nursery, and tells everybody she knows, and then decides to celebrate with a cyanide cocktail.
Can we talk to the husband?
Yeah, bring him in, Charlie.
Sure.
그렇게 남편 크리스와 만나게 되는데
Captain Lewis, this is Kathleen DeMeo from the DA's office. She has a few more questions for you.
I know this is difficult for you. I knew your wife. I met her about a year ago at my sister Molly's house.
Yeah, I know Bill and Molly.
Can you look around the room and see if there's anything amiss?
어째선지 아내가 죽은 상황의 남편의 모습으로는 보이지가 않습니다.
No, nothing.
When was the last time you saw your wife, Mr. Lewis?
2 nights ago, I was on a flight to the coast.
And you got home at what time?
About an hour ago.
And what was her mental state before you left?
Look, I've been over this already. I'd like to call Vanjie's parents.
Of course, I'm finished.
그렇게 수상하기만 한 남편은 돌아서고 임산부가 높은 굽을 신기에는 너무나 이상합니다.
Something about her shoes that really bother me. They just don't look comfortable for a woman in her condition.
Well, they certainly bother me too. Especially this one.
그리고는 캐럴은 구두를 벗기는데 그녀의 발에는 진흙이 묻어 있었죠.
Looks like mud.
Well, what do you make of it, counselor?
Where is Captain Lewis?
남편이 수상했던 KT는 그를 만나러 부엌으로 향하고 그곳에서 누군가와 통화하는 걸 우연히 듣게 됩니다.
Just relax. Just relax. I swear to you, Joan. Just calm down. She didn't know about us. No.
모든 정황이 크리스를 가리키는데 정말 크리스가 범인일까요?
I'm going to recommend to Alex that we launch a full investigation.
I was hoping you'd say that.
I'd like for you to do the autopsy on this one yourself, Richard. This was no suicide. That woman and her baby were murdered, and her husband knows it. There's no doubt in my mind that Chris Lewis is hiding something. It was written all over his face. And I've seen a lot of people grieve over lost loved ones.
Yeah, he came across like a player to me.
What do you have, Richard?
Definitely cyanide. She died instantly.
Where'd she get it from?
Well, there's something else. I overheard him talking on the phone. And I'm certain that I heard him say she didn't know about us, Joan.
All right. I guess we're all agreed we're not going to close this off as a suicide. So, Charlie, find everything you can on Captain Lewis. See who this Joan is. Maybe talk to her doctor, find out what sort of mental and physical shape she was in.
I'll take that one. I know her doctor. His name is Dr. Edgar Hiley. He treated me when I was at Westlake. He wants me to go for a follow-up appointment anyway.
Okay. Let me know what the autopsy turns up.
남편 크리스를 용의자로 전환하고 수사를 시작하죠.
Excuse me, I'm Katie DeMeo with the DA's office. I'm here to see Dr. Edgar Hiley.
Oh, is this about Vanjie Lewis?
What do you know about Vanjie Lewis?
I called her house yesterday to confirm an appointment. The police said she was, you know.
I imagine it was. And you are?
Edna Burns, receptionist and bookkeeper.
Did you happen to notice what she was wearing?
Always the same thing. Loose-fitting dress and moccasins.
Moccasins?
정말 이상합니다. 현장에서 발견된 건 구두. 그녀는 모카신을 신고 있었다고 하는데.
In fact, the last time she was in.
Edna.
Dr. Hiley, this is the assistant district attorney,
Mrs. DeMeo. Spent the night with us 2 days ago.
Kathleen DeMeo. I'm very sorry, Mrs. DeMeo.
그렇게 짧은 단서를 다시 발견하고 이제는 의사에게 그녀에 대해 물어본다.
Now then, if you'll just lie back, please.
I need to take care of my business first. I want to ask you some questions about Vanjie Lewis. It appears that this is one of the last places that Vanjie was seen alive.
She had an appointment with my associate, Dr. Fajita.
Well, did she show any signs of depression?
Not with me. I think Dr. Fajita would be better trained to recognize that symptom if she was masking it.
조사를 끝마치고 검진을 받게 된 그녀는 몸이 많이 나빠져 있다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
Have you ever been pregnant?
I had a miscarriage right before my husband got sick with cancer.
And if you have any desire to have children in the future and avoid a hysterectomy, we should schedule you at DNC as soon as possible.
Sounds a bit ominous.
It's meant to.
사실 아이까지 유산하고 남편까지 떠나버린 그녀에겐 자신을 돌보는 건 사치라 생각했었죠.
Tell you what, I'll check my calendar and see when I can take some time off work.
I'll schedule it for Saturday and have you back to work on Monday.
그런 자신을 배려해준 의사의 손길에 되려 눈물이 흐릅니다.
Well, you make it hard to say no.
I'll check you in Friday around 6. Take 4 of these a day, every 4 hours until then to prep you for your procedure. It's very important you don't skip a dose.
곧바로 정신과 의사 후지토에게 찾아간 케이티.
Thank you for taking the time to see me on your day off, Dr. Fajito. To get a picture of Vanjie's mental state before her death. I understand that you met with her that night.
I did, at precisely 8 o'clock.
Why was she distressed?
She had quarreled with her husband. She was convinced that he didn't love her and that he didn't want the baby. The prospect of the birth was suddenly frightening.
I understand you want to keep the confidentiality of Mrs. Lewis's conversations, but this is an official matter.
그제서야 진실을 말하는 후지토.
Mrs. Lewis told me she believed her husband was in love with someone else. She accused him of it and threatened to make the woman's life a living hell when she found out who it was.
How did you respond to that?
Well, I realized she was in no shape to deal with the fact that Captain Lewis wanted a divorce, so I told her to go home and get some sleep and call me in the morning.
And what was your impression of Mr. Lewis?
I never met him. She was the only patient whose husband never came in. She wanted him to. But he had no interest.
이젠 남편이 범인이라 확신하게 되는데 퇴근하는 길 사무실에 잠시 들른 케이티.
Anything important?
Oh, Richard said he'd be working at the lab late if you want to stop by. And Edna Burns called, said she needed to give you something you'd want, about Vanjie Lewis.
I should call her.
Oh, no, she said she didn't want to talk at work. She wants to meet you here tomorrow on her lunch break.
You're the best. Thanks, Maureen.
산부인과 서무가 무얼 주력에 직접 찾아온다는 걸까요? 그녀는 퇴근하지 않고 곧바로 법의관을 찾아가죠.
These tiny splatters, they did turn out to be mud, but there was nothing on the shoes. So she comes home, changes her shoes, and kills herself.
The receptionist at Westlake said she only saw her wear the same moccasins. The reason she remembered is because one of them kept falling off.
The left one.
How did you know that?
Come here, take a look.
그는 왼발의 상처를
She
보여줍니다.
got this scratch on her left foot after she died. No sign of healing.
So, could she have died somewhere else and then been placed on her bed?
Possible. But the way the blood congealed in the body indicates she was lying in the position she was found from the moment she drank that cyanide.
이젠 타살로 방향에 잡혀가죠. 병을 방치해서일까요? 자꾸만 KT는 어지럽습니다.
You okay? What's the matter?
Just feeling a little lightheaded. You know, I think I'm gonna let you do your work.
한편 내일 KT에게 뭔가를 전해준다던 레드나의 집에 누군가 침입하고 영문도 모른 채로 레드나는 죽임을 당해버리죠.
Cause of death appears to be a severe blow to the head. Now, placement of the body seems to indicate an accidental fall. Apparently she'd been drinking quite heavily. But, pattern of the blood splatter, position of the head. See those bloodstains? Now, it looks to me like she was struck while she was seated with a blow vicious enough to knock her out of the chair. The attacker sees the radiator. He repositions her.
너무나도 의도적인 범행이었죠.
So somebody came here to kill her.
The neighbor heard her talking to Chris Lewis last night, making threats about telling you everything today.
He got in clean. Robbery.
No. The place was trashed to make it look like it. There's nothing worth stealing here. Take a look at this. There's some jewelry, but most of it's fake.
그렇게 에드나의 물건을 뒤적이다 발견했던 신발.
It's a strange place to keep a shoe.
That's not a shoe, Charlie. That's a glass slipper.
I think the more compelling question is, where's the other one?
에드나가 전달하려 했던 벤지의 모카신. 곧바로 크리스를 찾아갑니다.
Do you recognize this, Mr. Lewis?
That's Vanjie's. Where did you...
Edna Burns' apartment. She was murdered last night, right after she called you.
Wait a minute. She called me. I didn't call her. I've never even met that woman before. I won't deny that we've been arguing a lot lately. I did not kill my wife, Mrs. DeMeo.
So why didn't you go to the clinic with her?
She didn't want me to. Why didn't you ask that Japanese psychiatrist she was so crazy about? He was the one that said that their time was just for Vanjie.
자신은 범인이 아니라며 정신과 의사를 의심하죠. 그날 밤 뭔가를 발견했던 법의관리처드. 찰리 형사는 루이스의 거짓말을 알아내고
Lewis was lying about when his flight got in. He got back in the night before.
The lying bastard.
But it gets better. We found the girlfriend. A flight attendant named Joan Morton. She was not working that night. We're running the numbers down right now.
Good. Well, I just found out why Chris Lewis was so upset about his wife's pregnancy. The baby wasn't his.
What?
The fetus I took from her womb was Asian.
죽은 아내의 태아는 아시아인이라는 기막힌 상황이 벌어집니다.
That's one hell of a trifecta for motive.
점점 더 상황이 복잡해져만 갑니다.
I'm sure it was unintentional.
Well, I'm not. 2 people have been murdered. One of them was pregnant.
So let's talk about the baby. We now know that Chris Lewis wasn't the father, which means his wife was having an affair. Which brings us to Edna Byrne.
I don't see it. A cheating wife is one thing, but a nosy receptionist?
Okay, Pete, what about the moccasin then? If Lewis knew she had it, he'd want to get it back.
Agreed. So the killer trashes her place looking for it. The last person to see Vanjie alive is Fujito. It makes more sense that she lost the moccasin in his office, and Edna found it, which is why she didn't want to talk to us there.
You think he was involved with Vanjie Lewis?
He was Japanese, and Chris Lewis had an obvious distaste for their relationship. He said that she was rather fond of Fujito.
If he was the father, that breach of ethics, it would ruin his career.
I think we better have another talk with him.
정말 후지토가 거짓말했는지 다시금 그를 찾아가죠.
I have a few questions. But before I get to that, I want to ask you about Vanjie Lewis.
I told you everything I knew.
Are you aware that she was having an affair, Doctor?
No, I wasn't aware of any inappropriate behavior.
Her fetus was Asian.
Mrs. DeMeo, I hope you understand the gravity of that implication.
갑자기 그전보다 더 심해진 현기증이 찾아오고
What is it?
I'm feeling dizzy.
I'll get you some water. Try to relax. Take slow, deep breaths. Drink this, Mrs. DeMeo. Mrs. DeMeo.
후지토는 정말로 범인일까요? 한참이 지나서야 정신이 돌아온 여자.
Easy, Katie. You passed out. Your blood pressure was dangerously low, so we're giving you a little transfusion. Your period hasn't stopped, has it?
It stopped, but then it started again.
Have you been taking your pills?
Yes, Doctor.
Tomorrow night, then.
박사 하일리의 도움으로 다시 일어난 케이티. 결국 후지토의 정체를 알게 됩니다.
Guess who was asked to resign from Massachusetts General for unethical behavior after getting a patient pregnant?
Fujito.
7 years ago, he had his license suspended for inducing a patient to having a relationship with him while she was seeing him for psychiatric treatment. She had his baby.
Well, looks like we'll need to get a DNA sample from Fajito then to match the fetus.
Dr. Fajito, you there? It's the police.
재빠르게 그를 체포하러 갔던 경찰들. 하지만 아무도 대답이 없습니다.
Police? Anybody home?
어떻게 된 일일까요? 후지토 또한 죽어 있었죠. KT는 어떻게 이 사건을 해결할 수 있을까요?
So, doctor has an affair with the patient, gets her pregnant, kills her to save face, kills Edna Burns because she finds the moccasin and realizes he's going to get busted, so he kills himself. Well, it looks like we've still got some work to do.
수사는 자꾸 제자리만 맴돌고 다음날 찰리는 죽은 벤지의 예전 주치의와 통화를 하고 있습니다.
Dr. Salem's office. Yeah, hello, this is Detective Charlie Newkirk. I'm investigating the death of Vangie Lewis.
그렇게 알게 된 사실 한 가지.
An appointment for what?
한편 KT는 하일리와 면담을 하고 있죠.
I knew about his trouble in Massachusetts.
You weren't concerned?
This place is about second chances. He embraced that idea because of his past.
Would you mind if I took a look at her files?
No problem whatsoever. They're right up here. This is a...
그러다 종이에 손이 베어버리고
I do that all the time. Just keep some pressure on it until it stops bleeding.
Thank you.
또다시 현기증이 눈앞을 가립니다.
And maybe you should call it a day. Let me admit you now.
The public safety comes first.
Should I be concerned about my own safety?
이틀 뒤 치료를 위해 KT는 병원으로 떠나려 하고 있습니다.
I'll be glad when this whole thing is over. I can't tell you how sick I am of taking all these pills.
You look absolutely terrible.
Molly, please don't tell anybody what I'm doing. I don't want to answer questions every time I walk into the courthouse.
병원에 그런 치료를 받으러 가는 게 부끄러웠던 KT는 그런 사실을 비밀로 하기로 하는데
I'll call you at the hospital.
그렇게 전화기까지 놔두게 됩니다.
So what's the word, Doc? Fajito telling any dirty little secrets?
He didn't do it himself. He was right-handed, but the needle was in the outside of his left leg at an angle that was near impossible to get to with his right hand.
Maybe he stuck himself with his left hand.
Giving shots is reflex, Charlie. It's like shaking hands. Not something you think about.
That's pretty good.
벤지의 과거 주치의에게 들은 충격적인 얘기를 들려줍니다.
I just had a nice conversation with the Dr. Salem in Minnesota. And he gave me a raft of medical voodoo. The bottom line was, he's convinced there's no way she could get pregnant.
How can that be?
So what do you think, Doc?
Well, we'll know more when we get Fajito's DNA back. But in the meantime, Charlie, we start at the beginning with Vangie Lewis.
그렇게 한참이나 조사를 했던 두 사람. 하지만 정말 풀리지 않는 문제가 있습니다.
Why would a woman, pregnant, sick, upset, ready to leave her doctor, rush home and then take the time to back her large car into her small garage?
She wouldn't.
Unless, maybe, there was a large package to unload from the trunk.
Very good, Charlie. Let me see those other garage photos. There it is.
죽은 그녀의 발의 상처. 누군가 남몰래 그녀의 시신을 꺼내려다 생겼다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
That's it. Whoever killed Vangie Lewis is taller than 5'8", almost as big as you.
Chris Lewis and Joan Morton just turned themselves in.
한편 크리스와 조아는 그들의 결백을 주장하죠.
Did you murder your wife, Mr. Lewis?
No, I didn't. I found her in the bedroom the next morning at 11.
Where did you go when you left?
To a motel. To to meet Joan.
Did your wife usually back her car into the garage?
No. She was a terrible driver.
운전을 못한다는 말, 그리고는 엇갈리는 진술들.
What was the fight about between you and Dr. Fujito?
I never met Dr. Fujito.
Were you aware that she was carrying an Asian fetus?
크리스는 단순 불륜에 그쳤다는 걸 알게 됩니다. 한편 병원에서 시술 준비 중인 케이티.
What is that?
Heparin reduces the chances for blood clotting. You really should get some rest. You're in good hands, Katie. Be over before you know it.
So where do we go from here?
I don't know.
사건이 미궁 속에서 헤매이고 있는 그때 모린이 그들을 찾습니다.
What is it, Maureen?
I tried calling Katie, but she's not answering her cell. I found something interesting about Westlake Fertility Clinic.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
Since opening 8 years ago, 16 women have died either in childbirth or from complications during pregnancy.
Wow. 16 deaths.
그건 모두 닥터 할리의 병원에서 일어난 일이죠. 그렇게 검찰은 피해자 한 명을 만나게 되는데.
Now then, you were a patient of Dr. Hiley's.
I went to him 6 months ago. We struggled to get by on my salary. I decided to have an abortion. I didn't want to.
Dr. Hiley performed a procedure, and afterwards you had second thoughts and tried to hold him culpable.
That's not true. I told him I changed my mind. He jabbed me with a needle, took me into an operating room in the hospital. When I woke up, I was on a stretcher.
강제로 그녀에게서 태아를 적출했다는 말. 하일리는 그 태아를 자신의 임상 연구에 사용했던 것입니다.
Sounds like we've been looking at the wrong doctor. And find Katie. She may have some insight into Hiley.
It's Katie. I'm not home now. Leave me a message and I'll call you back as soon as I can.
하지만 범죄자에게 치료를 받고 있었던 여자. 아무도 없는 새벽, 그의 병원으로 몰래 걸어오는 남자. 임신도 하지 않은 케이티는 왜 하일리의 타겟이 된 걸까요? 처음 교통사고가 났던 그날 밤, 케이티는 약에 취한 채 창밖을 바라보다 할리의 범행을 목격했었죠. 그런 그녀를 처음부터 없애려 계획했던 것입니다.
Let me admit you now. Your period hasn't stopped, has it? You've been taking your pills?
What is that?
Heparin.
그제서야 모든 것이 기억난 케이티는 사무실에 전화를 걸어보지만 이미 하일리는 그녀를 없애려 다가오고 있죠. 그녀는 어떻게 그에게서 벗어날 수 있을까요? 잠든 줄 알았던 그녀에게 다가간 남자. 다행히 그녀는 어디론가 도망치고 없습니다. 주사와 약물 때문에 멈추지 않는 케이티의 혈흔, 그리고 그 핏자국을 추격하는 남자. 하지만 외부로 나가는 모든 문은 이미 굳게 잠겨 있었죠.
It's fruitless to run, Katie. You're a sick woman. But you're bleeding to death.
도망칠 곳이 없던 그녀는 문이 열린 어떤 곳으로 숨어들고
Somebody help me.
하지만 핏자국을 따라 쫓아왔던 하일리에게 금방 발각되고 마는데 그녀는 이대로 끝나버리게 되는 걸까요?
You made it very easy for me, Katie. In a little while, I'll make my rounds with Nurse Roberts and discover you missing. You were hemorrhaging, disoriented. Tragically, you wandered down here and led to death.
Why are you doing this to me?
The night they brought you to Westlake was a stroke of bad luck. I saw you that night at the window, and you saw me. I knew you were heavily sedated and somewhat disoriented, but eventually, you were bound to remember.
또다시 하일리는 헤파린을 주사하려 하죠.
You killed Vanjie Lewis. My God,
You're a doctor. You're supposed to help people.
Help people? Do you have any idea what my work has accomplished? I turn their despair into hope.
You kill.
What do you know about killing? I'm asked to kill every day by teenage girls who don't value the miracle they carry inside them. And I created life, whether there was only death. The genius of my work will be published and change the world.
철없이 가졌던 생명을 버리려는 인간들의 환멸을 느끼며 완벽한 가면 뒤에 뒤틀린 신념을 감춘 천재 의사.
You're a monster.
Katie DeMeo. are dead.
한편 갈피를 못 잡고 있는 그 속에서 그제서야 리처드가 문제의 실마리를 찾게 됩니다.
Her baby. Her baby. He was Japanese. Charlie, when did Anna Haran have her abortion?
7 months ago.
That's how far along Vanjie Lewis was.
Charlie, find out where that search warrant is.
Yeah, I'm on.
Hope to God you're wrong about this, Richard. If you're not, that's a hell of a development.
KT가 사경을 헤매는 그때 언니의 전화가 걸려오고.
Yeah, it's Richard. Wait, Molly, slow down. Just slow down.
KT가 사라졌다는 말.
Who's her doctor? I'm gonna go to Westlake now. Katie checked into Hailey's clinic earlier tonight. Now she's disappeared.
I'm way ahead of you.
그를 추격하는 경찰. 아무 일 없는 듯 퇴근하려는 남자.
Going home for a while. Call me when you hear from Mrs. DeMeo's sister.
Right away, Dr. Hailey.
It's Dr. Edgar Hailey. You're under arrest for the murders of Vanjie Lewis, Edna Burns, and Hiro Fujito. You have the right to...
I know my rights, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have.
Where's Katie, you creep?
Easy, Richard.
Mrs. DeMeo left our clinic while I was having my dinner.
No, he's lying. She would have checked her cell phone and called me, Charlie.
You don't mind if we have a look around, do you?
No problem. I'll wait in my office.
No, not alone, you don't.
Can you two come with me? Katie?
아무리 불러봐도 대답이 있을 리 만무한데 시간이 얼마나 흘렀을까요? 리처드 또한 그 핏자국을 보게 되죠. 그렇게 한참을 핏자국을 따라 그녀를 찾았던 남자. 다행히도 KT가 쓰러진 그곳을 찾게 됩니다.
Oh my God. Katie! My God, Katie, what did he do to you?
KT를 발견한 그는 곧바로 형사 찰리에게 연락을 취하고.
Yeah. Is she alive? Get her next door as quick as you can.
이제 정체가 탄로날 걸 예상한 할리는 스스로 극단적인 선택을 해버립니다.
Don't worry about Hailey. He just confessed.
그렇게 하일리는 최후를 맞이하고 며칠 지난 어느 날 사고 현장을 다시 찾았던 두 사람.
Was he a monster or a genius?
A little bit of both, I guess.
인간의 눈은 잠시 속여도 그가 저지른 죄의 대가는 반드시 돌아오는 법. 영화 더 크레들 윌폴입니다.